Welcome to Bike Buzzin'. In today's video, we are taking a closer look at the all-new 2025 Yamaha R15 V5, a bike that's set to redefine the entry-level sport bike segment. Yamaha has always been a leader in combining performance with style, and with this latest iteration of the R15, they are pushing the boundaries even further. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 R15 V5 an exciting prospect for riders worldwide. The 2025 Yamaha R15 V5 comes with a bold and aggressive design that instantly catches your eye. The sharp, aerodynamic lines and the sleek front end give it a futuristic look. The R15 V5 takes inspiration from its elder sibling, the R7, and incorporates some design elements from the renowned R1, giving it that MotoGP-inspired aesthetic. With a new LED headlamp, aggressive fairing, and a sharper tail section, this bike exudes attitude and performance at every angle. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Yamaha R15 V5 houses a refined 155 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers impressive power and torque. Yamaha has fine-tuned the engine for better throttle response, making it more enjoyable to ride on both urban streets and open highways. It comes with variable valve actuation, VVA, which ensures optimal performance across a wide range of RPMs. Expect a smooth power delivery with that signature Yamaha high-revving character. The new R15 V5 promises to be more than capable of providing thrilling rides whether you're tackling twisty roads or cruising on highways. Technology and features. One of the biggest upgrades in the 2025 Yamaha R15 V5 is the technology it brings to the table. The bike features a full digital instrument cluster with a redesigned display for better readability, even under bright sunlight. It also comes with advanced features like a slipper clutch, assist clutch, and a quick shifter for smoother gear transitions. Additionally, Yamaha has equipped the R15 V5 with improved ABS, anti-lock braking system, for enhanced safety, especially during hard braking. Chassis and handling. The handling of the 2025 R15 V5 is one of its standout features. Thanks to the lightweight yet sturdy chassis, paired with the new suspension setup, the bike offers excellent stability and agility. The bike's handling capabilities have been fine-tuned to make it more responsive in corners, making it an ideal choice for both city commutes and spirited rides on twisty roads. The new R15 V5 promises to offer an enjoyable riding experience for both new and experienced riders alike. Price and conclusion. Yamaha has maintained its reputation for offering a balanced mix of performance and affordability, and the 2025 R15 V5 is no different. Though the price may vary depending on the region, the R15 V5 offers great value for the performance and features it provides. Whether you're a beginner looking for a sporty machine or an experienced rider who wants an exciting daily companion, the R15 V5 is a solid choice.